Miata rust repair, rocker panel repair. This is the fiberglass material I'm using, which is quite thick, which allows me to shape it a bit. And I've placed it. It's in the drying process right now. I just finished it up. As you can see, it's tucked behind what's left of the quarter panel, and it is clamped there for the drying process. This is a heat lamp. I'll turn it off. Maybe you'll see better. Yeah. So this will give me a shape to work on. After that, I'll be laying some fiberglass, but thinner grade fiberglass over it, and the finishing process will be body filler, leveling, sanding, and priming. It should be strong enough to hold up to putting supports directly on the rocker panel afterwards. So, thanks for watching.